Hey sisters, welcome back to my channel. My name is Steffi and you're here to see this look. I know you are. Basically, I'm here with James Charles. Oh, hi James. Hi sister. Basically, I was so excited to get this. They did a restock finally for the UK. I didn't think we'll get a restock in Europe before Christmas, but they did. I got that email and I got onto the website. I didn't manage to get the brush set, which I'm kind of annoyed by, but I did manage to sneak one of these up. So thank you Morphe for giving us a restock, and I get to play with this, and I finally got to swatch it. I did not touch this for 2 days because of this video, and I created this amazing look. Didn't know what I was doing. I was kind of just winging it because we got date night and my skirt is this color. I've got like a pencil skirt and it's about this color, so I had to kind of think of something along that line, and this is what we went for. So if you're interested and you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching, but bear in mind this is my first makeup tutorial back since I've been back and from my big hiatus, so it might not be crispy clean like my usual kind of get ready with me's makeup tutorials, whatever you want to call me, showing you how I did my makeup. So don't worry, there'll be more of these. I've got a lot planned, so if you like these, do give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you with no makeup. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is just add a bit of colour onto my crease, and the first shade I'm going to add is called Pinch Me. So it's just a really lovely kind of caramel shade. I'm just going to pop some of that colour into my crease just to start off with a kind of like a transition shade. Diving in with some colour now, I've got rusted on my blending brush. I'm just going to just add this to the crease and just literally blend it all out. I just want something very lovely but still neutral at the same time, because this is pretty much the same colour as my skirt that I'm wearing tonight, so we're trying to stay with the same colour scheme. I really love this kind of warm orange called Code James, so I'm just going to add that into my crease just underneath rusted, just to add a bit of this orange. It just looks lovely. Okay, now taking the shade No Beans, I'm just literally going to add that colour on the outer corner of my eye just to start creating a bit of depth into the outer V. Then I'm just going to grab my blending brush and just blend the outer corners. So basically I'm just cutting the crease with some concealer. Now I'm thinking of going in with a really nice glittery shade, obviously where we did the cut crease, and I think I'm going to go with Sister mixed with Literally. So I'm just going to grab a flat eyeshadow brush and let's see the payoff. So let's go in with Sister first, just in the inner corner. pat that down and add literally now to add some more depth. I think I need a bit more of some coral, I think. So I'm going to go back in with Rusted and just add some colour. Okay, let's use Boutique to add some more depth going into the crease. Where is it, Code James? Let's go back in Code James and just get that orange back out. Okay guys, so for the brow bone, I'm actually going to go in with ring lights. I'm just going to add some of that just under the brow bone. Like so. I'm just going to go and do my mascara and eyeliner off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. Just in case you're wondering what I use as eyeliner and falsies and whatnot. For eyeliner I use the Revolution, Makeup Revolution. I think this is the Flick liner. The Wing Flick liner in black. I love these. I do have two because I bought another one after I used one and then I mixed them up so I didn't know which one was the new one, so I just kind of used both thinking one of them is the worst one, but they both are still black after months of using, so that's why I have two. The mascara I used was the Rimmel Scandalized Wow Wings mascara. I constantly talk about this and there's also a review on my channel if you want to see that. And for lashes I did use the Eyelure 3-dimensional lashes number 119 if you're wondering what I'm wearing at the moment. So let's finish off the eye and then we can go into the face. Okay guys, so grabbing another pencil brush, I'm just literally going to dab into Rusted because it's probably one of the favorite shades that I'm wearing at the moment, and just literally add the color underneath my eyeballs, my lower lash line. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial on you in a couple of months, if not a year, so bear with me, this is my first one back, so there'll be more, so I'll get used to it. So very sorry, apologies for this makeup tutorial because it's been a while, or makeup look, or get ready with me, whatever I'm going to call it by the end of this video. I love this colour. I think Rust is going to be my new fave colour. I am actually going to add No Beans just to the outer third, just to add that definition. Oh my god, that came out so bad. Now with a MAC 224, which is literally clean, I'm just going to blend underneath my eyes, just blend everything together. Okay guys, so the eyes are ready, so let's get into the face. The first thing I'm going to use, I just poked myself, did I just do that? Yes. The first thing I'm going to use is my trusty Ingot Freedom palette bronzing powder highlighting thing, whatever you want to call it. This literally holds my top 3 things. Usually it has 4 things, but my beige sculpting powder is out of stock at the moment, which is the 503. But nonetheless, I'm going to be using the 504 and the 507 to contour my face. I'm going to get my trusty Nancy contouring brush and I'm just going to start contouring my face. Now with the 507, this kind of just gives a bit more colour to the skin. So I kind of literally go over what I've already done with the 504 or the 505, I can't remember what number it is. But this basically has a bit more brown to it. So it just adds a bit more colour to the skin. So it acts like a bronzer. And yes, I'm using the viewfinder, so it helps me so I don't have to use a mirror. But I love it. Keeping with the same kind of colour, I'm actually going to use a MAC blush. I think this is called Pink Flamingo or Flamingo Pink. It was from one of those kind of limited edition collections, but for the life of me I have no idea what it was called, and I'm just using the Nancy blush brush. You guys would have known I've actually had these brushes for years, and I think I did a review or I spoke about them in a video way back when I was still in England, and to this day they're still my favourite brushes. They're just amazing and they're synthetic and they just do wonders when it comes to doing your makeup. I thought of going in with the Becca Champagne Pop with which is the collaboration with Jaclyn Hill. I really love this. I actually picked up the wrong brush. Put that one back. That's not a highlighting brush. This is the Inglot 4SS. Just gonna add. Love this. Look at that highlight. Yes. A little bit on the nose. Lastly, it's the lips, guys. Now, I was debating on what to use, but I think I have a shade. So I'm going to start off with my lip liner. This is the Inglot Soft Precision Lip Liner in 63. So I'm just going to line my lips quickly. Okay guys, so next I'm going to go in with the GERARD Cosmetics Hydra Matte in Ballet Slipper. I'm hoping this will be a good shade to go with this look. We're just going to see what it looks like. I'm not sure if it's going to be too intense. We will see. I actually did tame it down with Skinny Dip by GERARD Cosmetics as well, because I think it was just that little bit too pink, but I love this look. Now to finish it off, I'm just going to use the Slay All Day Sprite and Cucumber just to set everything into place. And there we have it. I do love this look. This looks amazing, and kudos to James Charles. This palette, you've done well. You've done well, sister. So guys, this is the final look. I really love this. I wasn't actually sure how it was going to plan out, but James Charles, you did a great job with this palette. Now I do want to try the other colours. I would say this is more of my slightly tamer slash adding a bit more colour to my eyes. I haven't really done this kind of colourful look in, I would say, 4 years, 3 years. It's been a while since I've actually played with makeup that wasn't brown. I am not joking. This is like a really stepping out of my comfort zone because I want to step back into my makeup artistry. So this is the first step back into makeup artistry. in a way, because I used to be like, I kind of stuck to my browns and nudes, you know, the Kim Kardashian kind of neutral, but I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and get back into my makeup artistry zone. So this is the look that I present to you. I really hope you enjoyed this first makeup tutorial get ready with me back. Yes, my makeup tutorial basics, speaking skills, whatever you want to call it, may be a bit off for this one, but I assure you they'll be better as we get along and go along with the rest of the get ready with me showing what I'm doing with my makeup and everything like that. Give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. A thumbs up to James Charles. I love this palette and I can't wait to create more looks with it, and I'll actually put them up on my Instagram if you want to see them. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.